Hi everybody! Carnival Cruises has a couple of Italian-themed ships, and you might wonder what the differences are in food. In this video, we'll show you the offerings from two eateries that are exclusive to these Italian-style ships, La Strada Grill and Tomodoro. As an added bonus, we'll also show you the two Italian-themed burgers that were added to Guy's Burgers menu for the Italian-themed ships. These were from our summer 2024 cruise aboard the Carnival Venezia. La Strada Grill is open only on sea days and takes the place of Guy's Pick and Anchor barbecue restaurant found on many other Carnival ships. Tomodoro is open every day and is very similar to Carnival's ubiquitous, Chipotle-like cafe called Blue Iguana. For breakfast, they're pretty much identical, though for lunch, Tomodoro does offer a few extra Italian-themed sandwiches. So let's get the show on the road. Check out the lunch food from Tomodoro and later the offerings from La Strada Grill and then Guy's Burgers. Enjoy! And then a little bit of the shrimp.
Yeah, rice. Okay.
Yeah.
Good seasoning. Let me try it. The chicken by itself here. Chicken looks very flavorful. It definitely have that Spanish sausage flavor to it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. That's good. Remind me a lot of Chipotle. Lettuce, chicken, and the rice. They're good. Good seasoning. Chicken is nice and tender. The shrimp is nice and bouncy. It just came out.
The tortilla looked kind of fluffy.
This is the garlic and habanero
Whoa.
chili sauce. Shrimp and bell peppers. Very simple. This sauce will literally set your mouth on fire. But I like it.
Almost. Not quite literally.
No. You can't see it, visualize it.
Alright.
That's
We'll have to
so
check
good.
it out.
And I like the shrimp. The seasoning is really good. The shrimp is nice and bouncy. And then the tortillas is so fresh. It's like, it tastes so much like homemade. I mean, it is basically homemade. They made it themselves right there. Oh, that's so good.
It's garlic bread.
Little bit this one. You want this one?
Yes, I do.
Italian sausage.
Very good. It's very juicy.
Lots of herbs.
There's some kind of herbs in there. Try this minute steak. Okay. Not that tender, but it's very thin. It's not bad. I like the sausage. And then there's the quinoa with chickpeas. It doesn't have that much flavor, but the quinoa is nice. There's the corn. It has that nice gooey texture and sweet. I like that.
Those are some really big kernels.
Yeah, let me try the macaroni and cheese here.
Yeah, go ahead. Nothing unique.
It's not flavorful enough. It's somewhat creamy, and usually I don't like my food to be salty, but that doesn't have that much flavor. It's okay.
There's also that sauce too.
Yeah, I can try it with the roasted vegetable.
The garlic sauce. Yeah.
Garlic, parmesan.
Yeah.
It's kind of like
Mayo.
mayo with garlic powder flavor. Here's the smoked Italian tomato sauce. Oh, this one's better. Oh, this one's much better.
Maybe you're supposed to dip the steak in that to flavor.
I can try it. It's better with the sauce. This sauce is my favorite, and the corn, the quinoa also. Those two are my favorites.
Now let's take a look at the new offerings available at Guy's Burger Joint on Carnival's Italian themed ships. One is the Pepperoni Pizza Burger, and the other is called Super Melty Mootz. They do replace the pig patty and Chilius Maximus, so that's a bit unfortunate for fans of those two burgers. Take a look and later let us know with a comment if it was worth it.
Super melty smooth. Melted mozzarella, balsamic vinegar,
Fried basil.
fried basil. I
Yeah.
don't see any basil here.
No basil? Okay.
I don't know.
Supposed to have it.
I don't see any.
Yeah, I don't
green.
see
There's
fried-
no basil here.
Yeah.
That's tomato. Okay, let's try it.
It's tomato. Definitely okay. You want some right there?
That's very unique. I definitely can taste the Italian fusion for sure with the balsamic vinegar
Where's that? Limelight.
and the tomato.
Okay.
When you first bite into it, you're kind of like, interesting. That's not bad. That's pretty creative. And especially if you like Italian flavor with the balsamic vinegar and the mozzarella cheese. This, you probably will like that. The pepperoni, that's actually a
Hash brown?
cheese.
Oh,
No,
cheese. Oh.
cheese that's
Fried
been
cheese.
battered.
Mm.
And then pepperoni and tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese. Kind of interesting. It's okay. Maybe you're kind of in between. Should I get pizza, spaghetti, or should I get burger? Well, why not this? Not bad. It's that cheese. It's this one that tastes a little bit after me. It's not, maybe it's not as fresh, that's why.
It's probably kind of out of place. It's kind of
No, I thought it was supposed to be good, but it tastes a little bit stale, that's why.
oh.
Okay, I took that cheese that have a little bit off taste to it. So now it's only pepperoni with tomato sauce and that Parmesan cheese. Much better. I can taste the Parmesan cheese, the pepperoni, and the tomato sauce so much better. It's fun to eat.
You're on the fun ship.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Instead of 2 hours at the gym every day, tomorrow I go for 2.5 hours. This one is straight up with donkey sauce.
That's that white sauce right there.
Yeah. I taste a lot of mayo right now. I'm wondering what the donkey sauce is.
Maybe that was the mayo.
Okay,
Mayo
here it is.
like. Yeah.
Here it is. Here's the donkey sauce. Let me try it myself. Mayo, they season it with some special seasoning. So this is the ringer with fried onion rings with barbecue sauce.
Sweet bourbon barbecue sauce.
Oh, okay. Lettuce, onion, tomatoes, raw onion. I'm not so sure about that. That's good. The crunch from the onion ring, barbecue sauce is not too overpowering. I like that meat patty. So because it's thin, so the meat outside, they cook it, it's like really high temperature, so it's like crispy. Nice smokiness. It's good. I like it.